Hey guys, it's Max from Anchor 23 Marketing. This is the video that I promised you guys. I spoke with an operator and they told me to send it to this email. So I work with general contractors across the United States just by helping them bring more business in the door, and this video is going to show you what I do and how I do it. Okay. Again, all I ask in return of this is just your feedback from it via either email or phone call. Just let me know what your thoughts are, and I will actually be calling you guys back tomorrow 6/2 at about 10 a.m. just to kind of again get your thoughts on that. Okay, so the general idea here is to rank in Google for select terms that people are already actively searching for. In particular, this Google Map Pack and #1 overall organically. And I know that people are searching for these keywords in particular because I use this tool called Ahrefs that I pay for, and it shows me that there's 240 searches every month for general contractors in Fort Lauderdale. Okay, and I would like it if you guys were #1 up there getting in those leads. Okay, so I'm going to be going over the 3 main ways that we can do that. And it all begins with the content on your home page. So if we copy everything that you see here, including what the images are saved as, and then we throw it into this word counter, it shows us that there's 453 words on your home page. Okay, Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and in those words they want these specific keywords placed in a structurized way. Okay, that just makes you more relevant to these specific key terms that people are searching for. The second thing is backlinks, and all that a backlink is basically one website linking to yours, which passes power and relevance. And so if I throw your URL here into the other side of Ahrefs, it shows me that you have 263 backlinks coming from 36 different websites. Okay, and again, this is kind of like these 36 websites are referring you to Google 263 times. I mean, as you can see, this is your website health, and you want these numbers to be right on. So like 21 and 21 would be the perfect ratio. So you guys do have a pretty solid foundation set already in this scenario. However, we would really want these to be in the 30s, and we can get you some nice quality backlinks that really pass good referrals to Google from non-spammy websites, and then your ratings are going to go up, your health is going to go up, and also your ranking in Google. Okay, and the third and final thing that I'm going to show you today is a citation. And so we're going to use your competition here just as the example real quick. What a citation is basically the business's name, their address, and their phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, which makes you a lot more verified, especially with this Google My Business. Okay, your competition has right around 50 citations, and so you would kind of want to double up on that and get 100 of them. That way you rank above them in this Google Map Pack, and this Google Map Pack is very particularly important because 80% of people that are searching for these are searching for it on their mobile device, and this is what comes up on their mobile device, and about 65% of the people searching are going to click on one of these 3. Okay, because you're not just more verified in Google's eyes, you're also more verified in the consumer's eyes. Okay, so those are the 3 things that I had for you today. I hope that it was informative and worth your time, and again, all that I ask is that you just give me some feedback, and I will call you guys again tomorrow at 10 a.m. just to kind of see what your thoughts were on this. So thanks again for your time.